Education for migrant children. Following the large-scale movement of the Chinese rural population through the cities, the children of these migrant workers uh, either stay or left behind children in the villages or they migrate with their parents to the sites. Although the regulation by the central government stipulate that all migrant children have the right to attend a public school in the city's public schools, nevertheless, effectively rejected these children by setting high thresholds such as school fees and exams, or by requesting or an urban registration, providing the alternative private entrepreneurs establishing since the 1990s semi-official private schools that offer schooling to migrant children for lower fees. However, this system contribute to the segregation between the urban and migrant children. Furthermore, these schools often have poor teaching poor teaching quality, provide only school certificates of limited values, and sometimes even more do not comply with the safety regulations. Since the beginning of the 2000, some local government thus started the campaigns to close these private schools, but nevertheless in many cities these schools still exist. Although Chinese scholars have conducted case study research on the migrant children and their schools, there is a lack of in the students with the nation scopes. Studies among the left behind children in China found that they had lower self-esteem and the more mental health problem than the children overall. Teachers of the left behind children often lack the resources, understanding, or opportunity to the communicate to the family or guardian the need for them to provide the support and attention. Analysis for the 2019 Global Education Monitoring Report found that children with absent mothers and lower grades in mathematics, Chinese, and English, children with one or both parents absent had more symptoms of the depression than those with the present parents. Analysis from the rural Gansu province found that the children with the absent father had zero point 0.4 fewer years of education. Private education. The government supported private education organization as well as the private for-profit educational private provider. The law of promotion of private education came into effect of September 1st. In 2003, development of the private school means an increase in the overall education supply and a change in the overall education supply and change in the traditional pattern of the public only schools so as to meet educational needs. At the end of the 2004, there were more than 70,000 private schools of the all types and levels, with a total enrollment of 14.6 million, including the 1,279 private institutes of higher learning with a total enrollment of 1.81 million. Private schools have pioneered cooperation with the foreign partner in the running of the schools, and many foreign universities have entered China this way, which has both improved the quality of the China's education resources and opened new channel for student further studies. Overseas students, the number of the foreigner wanting to study in China has been rising by the approximately 20% annually since the reforms and the opening period began. According to the official government figure, 195,503 overseas students from the 188 countries and regions came to study on the mainland in 2007, although the number is believed to be somewhere around the 300,000 region because the government and figure do not include students studying at a private language school. This makes China world's sixth largest study abroad destination. According to the reports of South Korea, Japan, the United States, Vietnam, and Thailand were the five biggest source countries, and number of students from the European sources countries is increasing. Currently, the Chinese government offer over 10,000 scholarship to foreign students, though this is set to raise by approximately 3,000 within the next year. International students are increasingly studying in the China. China economy is improving more quickly than had been predicted. In sizable economic growth by the 2015 has been predicted and opposed to 2050. China has already drawn the attention of the West for its growth rates, and the 2008 Olympic Games and Shanghai Expo 2010 2010 have intensified this position. Attention and other factors that draws students to China is the considerable lower cost of the living in China compared to most Western countries. Finally, major cities in China such as Beijing and Shanghai already have a strong international presence. Currently, China has around 1,000 colleges and universities. Leading universities such as the Peking University, Tsinghua University, and Fudan University have already gained international reputation of outstanding teaching and research facilities. China has signed agreement with the almost 40 countries such as France, Great Britain, the United States, and the Russia to recognize select diplomas. Many Chinese universities such as United International and colleges now offer degree in English, enabling students who know knowledge of the Chinese language to study there.